In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an administrator, also known as a staff member with full permissions, to your Shopify store. This process is vital for managing a collaborative environment, ensuring that your team members have the necessary access to perform their tasks effectively. Let's dive straight into the steps you need to take. First, you need to log in to your Shopify admin. Head over to your store's admin page, which you can typically access by entering yourstorename.myshopify.com/admin into your web browser. Make sure you're logging in as the store owner since this role has the necessary authority to manage staff permissions. Upon gaining access, your next step is to navigate to the Users and Permissions section. This is found by going to Settings and then selecting Users and Permissions. Here, you will be able to manage existing staff members and add new ones, which is what we're focusing on today. To add a new staff member, you'll need to click on the Add Staff button. It's prominently displayed and easy to spot, so once you do, you'll be directed to a page where you can enter specific details about the staff member you're adding. Now it's time to enter the staff details. Fill in the first name, last name, and email address of the individual you want to add. It's crucial to ensure that the email address you input is correct because this is where an invitation to join your Shopify store will be sent. Double-check for typos to avoid sending the invite to the wrong address. Once you've filled out their details, it's time to set their permissions. By default, any new staff member will be given full permissions. This means they'll have complete access to your Shopify store, allowing them to perform almost any action, much like an admin. However, if you prefer to limit their access, you can untick the Staff has full permissions checkbox and manually select the specific permissions you wish to grant them. After finalizing the permissions, it's time to hit the Send Invite button. Doing so will send an email invitation to the new staff member, providing them with a link to either create a new staff account or log in if they already have one. The process is almost complete. The last step involves the new staff member accepting your invitation. They must click on the link in the email to gain the access you've granted based on their permissions. This final step is crucial for ensuring that your new admin or staff member can contribute to the store efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new administrator to your Shopify store. This not only helps in collaborating effectively, but also maintains a smooth workflow within your business. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.